Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a mobile office package, bed utility package, tone haul package, and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch, all that jazz. We do get a Pro Access tailgate with this vehicle and a nice spray-in bed liner. You got little outlets for all your hooks and doodads, LED lights, and all that fun stuff, little measurements. And let's just say you are carrying a bunch of heavy stuff with your arm, you do get a powered tailgate, and you can just bump it up with your knee and it will go up automatically, which is pretty handy. We do get a nice gripped running board, side view camera, spotlights on the mirrors, and turn light indicated. And moving to the front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. It's also perforated. Plenty of door space. B&O sound system. You do get nice new looking cup holders. Heated back seats with a 12-volt. 2 USB Cs and 120, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a flat fold storage system, and you can lift up the seats for additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space on front with that nice B&O sound system, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, and your auto stop auto start has been moved to your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we do have an odometer sitting at 49.7 kilometers. We do have a nice heated leather wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your main screen here, we have our off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. With your My View, trip and feel, gauges, and your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicle ahead of me. It just limits your distractions, so you're not always looking down at this screen. Anything else? And moving to my right, we have a leather wrap gear select. Your speeds are still there. It is collapsible. Storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some outlets down here. Nice new looking center console here with an interior work surface, as well as does fold up for your 2 USB-Cs and a lot more storage. We do have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, and Pro Trailer Assist, engine start, heated and cooled front seats with your dual climate, 12-volt, 120, got secret storage, nice new looking glove compartment, storage above, which is pretty nice, and a nice rear window opener with your features for your twin-panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, and up on this row you have your BLUECRUISE and your park assist. Your BLUECRUISE is also right there as well. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation such as this. You do get these little red dots to show you where your vehicle's been, favorite apps, messaging, all that jazz. Apps in general, there are any apps you have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA02417, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.